Okay, so we have a physics question that says study the diagram of a spring below. So this spring you are seeing here, in simple terms, this you see here, it's just one spring, okay? This is when it is showing when there was nothing, meaning no load there. Now, after a load was added or been applied, then the extension, which is the length, was increased. Now, for you to answer this question, you need first to know what is known as the Hooke's law. This weight here, Hooke's law. This weight here, this weight here, Hooke's law. Now, according to Hooke's law stated that the extension of the loaded spring is in direct proportion to the force applied. This simply means that if this extension increases, then even the force is supposed to increase. That length yakula na force supposed to increase there. Now, for you to find the total length when a force of 6 Newton was applied, when they say 6 Newton, simply means that there was an increase in the force now here, meaning something was added to increase the force there. Okay, so you're supposed first to find the constant. So you simply say, you use this formula, you say constant, it is equal to extension over the load, which is the force. So I want to find the constant. The constant here simply means a single number which is causing a change both in the length and the force there. So now we say equal like this. We say equal. What is the extension there? Extension, you simply say 22 minus 10. So you simply say 22 minus 10 over. What is the load there? 4 minus 0, because there was nothing here. So 4 minus 0. So now you say 22 minus 10, which is going to give me 12 over 4 minus 0, it is 4. So 4 into 12 is going to give me what? 3. Now this 3, it is 3 centimeters per what? Per Newton. So 3 centimeters per Newton, which is this one here, meaning that is a constant, which is not the answer, by the way. So what we do now is this. We get again the same formula here. Since the question now is talking about what? Extension. Meaning supposed to find this one. We can find this one since we know the constant. So now I can use E as a subject, meaning now the formula will be like this. It will be K multiplied by L. So extension is equal to constant times what? The load there. So what is the constant? It is 3. You put 3. What is the load now which we want? It is 6. So 6 like this. So 6 times 3, it is what? 18 like this. So this was the what? The extension. But now, that was the extension when we had applied what? 6 Newton. But now remember what the question is saying. It's saying what? Total. Meaning from 10 to where up to this extension was. So this simply means now we say this 18 plus what? The initial, the starting length before there was nothing here. So plus 10 like this, which will give me what? 28. So which is what? We want to find the what? The total length, which is extension. So which is centimeters. So that is the answer.